future I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move.
Hello loves, it is your girl Dominique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am here with a good video today, you guys. I have this unit from HerGivenHair, and when I tell y'all it's a game changer, baby, it's definitely that. So here's the inside construction. It's a 3-in-1 wig. So you have your combs in the front, on the side. It does have an adjustable strap, but look at this right here, girl. It has a draw straight. So when I say 3-in-1, like, it's literally a half wig. You can wear it as a ponytail. You can wear it as like a headband wig. It's so many different things that you can do with it. So we're going to get into it right now. So I'm just going to part off a little hair in the front, put the rest of my hair in a ponytail, and go ahead and apply this unit. So first thoughts after just applying it and then like combing my hair back, you guys are going to see, like, look at my reaction. I hope I saved that clip in, like when I showed my reaction, like, girl, it blends in so nicely with my hair. As you can see, my hair is short in the front just from breakage and things like that. But once I brushed it back, oh my God, it just looked like it's my hair, and I just blew it out, like blew it out with the blow dryer. It looks so natural. Look at my face, like, girl, it looks so natural. So if you're into like the natural blown out look, this would be perfect. You just put it on and go. But I did want to do a little extraness to it, so I slicked my edges back just to give it, you know, a more clean and put together look. And I love how that look as well. So if you like the blown out look, you could definitely rock it like this.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great.
I played around with putting it in a half up, half down ponytail, and you could definitely rock it like this as well. So this unit is very versatile. You can do so many different things with it, and I just thought this was so cute. If you just wanted something quick and easy without adding any heat or anything, this would be perfect. If you know anything about Kinky texture, it has like those crinkles in it. So I wanted to go in with some heat. So I'm just taking the blow dryer with the comb on it and just going through the hair just to straighten it out just a little bit, because I am going to curl it. I wanted to see how well the hair curled and how the curls come out. And I'm just going through with the blow dryer and just taking my time. And it's just straightening those crinkles out. But if you are wondering about the length, it's 16 inches and the weight is 160 grams. This unit curls so beautifully, and the curls were so bouncy. I didn't add any product to this hair, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me curl the unit, and I'll be back to fill you in on what I'm doing a little later. Girl, look at how bouncy this hair is. Like, I could not get over it. Like, it has so much body. Girl, you cannot tell me this is not my hair. You cannot tell me. It blends so nicely with my natural hair texture. I do have relaxer in my hair, so I'm like half relaxer, half natural, but it blends so nicely with my hair texture and hair color and everything. So I was just playing around with it. You could definitely like put a clip up here. I put it in a little ponytail so you can see how it looked like pent back off your face. But you can do a lot with this unit. I came back up to the bathroom to show you how it looks if you just put it in a ponytail without, you know, using the drawstring method. So you can definitely do that. Put it in a high ponytail. You can also leave a little bit of your hair out in the back to cover up, you know, the back part of the wig. Or you can put a headband around it. It's like, when I tell y'all, it's so many different things you can do, but I wanted to put it in a ponytail so you can see how you could wear it as a I cannot talk, a drawstring ponytail.
Hey, save your baby girl. You got to save yourself.
So you just want to take that clip it in, and just pull the drawstring together to tighten it up. I wrapped this string around, and then I took a little piece of the hair from the wig and I just wrapped it around to cover up that string, and boom. And I was thinking about putting it in like a high bun. I was like, nah, that's just too much hair. But you could definitely do that. You could definitely do it in a bun, but this is how the ponytail came out. Y'all, I'm in love with this unit. I will have all of the details and links down below if you are looking for a half wig, but it's one that, you know, is very versatile, where you can wear it as a ponytail. You can just do so much with it. Definitely check the links down below in the description box. Thank y'all so much for tuning into today's video. I will see you guys later.